Hello friends, welcome to Akulmek Live. I am Kanchan Verma. You know, music plays a vital role in removing stress from our lives. And we'll be discussing this aspect of leading happy life with Dr. Shambhavi Das. But before that, I would like to remind you there's a free gift available for you. Stick around till the end. We will guide you how to avail your free gift. Hello, friends. Welcome to the show. And today we have a special guest, Dr. Shambhavi Das. You had been meeting her every week, and we all enjoy her singing her songs. So, without wasting any further time, I would like to present Dr. Shambhavi Das. So, Shambhavi, please welcome to our show. How are you doing today?
Namaskar. I am doing very good. Thank you, Kanchanji. It's my pleasure, and thanks for inviting me again. So, without wasting further time, I would like to present a bhajan in Rag Bhopali, and this is the rag which I'll be discussing today. So, I will be singing this, and this is bhajan. Why? Because in these pandemic times, we need bhajans, and this is a Shiv bhajan. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. तीन शब्द में सृष्टि सारी समाए ओम नमः शिवाय। पर्वत पर्वत क्यों चढ़े, नदी पार क्यों जाए, पर्वत पर्वत क्यों चढ़े, नदी पार क्यों जाए, जो मिलना है यही है, जिन खो दे वही पाए। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। सा धा पा ग रे ग ग, सा धा पा ग रे ग ग, धा पा ग सा रे, सा धा पा ग रे सा सा। थैंक यू सो मच।
बहुत सुंदर, बहुत अच्छा लगा और मैं तो बस बहुत ही आनंदित फ़ील कर रही हूँ, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। तो ये जो राग भोपाली जो आपने लिया है, इसके फीचर्स, इसके कैरेक्टर्स क्या होते हैं और ये किस समय गाया जा सकता है? और कौन से जो पॉपुलर सॉन्ग है, 1-2 लाइन अगर आप बता सकें पर्टिकुलरली इस राग भोपाली के?
तो भोपाली बहुत ही पॉपुलर संगीत है, बहुत ही पॉपुलर राग है और ये थेरेपी कॉन्सेप्ट में भी बहुत पॉपुलर है और इसके नोट्स 5 हैं, सा रे ग प ध। जैसे कि पिछली बार मैंने मार्कोस डिस्कस किया था, उसमें भी 2 नोट्स मिसिंग थे, इसमें भी मिसिंग है, लेकिन फर्क इतना है ये थोड़ी बबली राग है, वाइब्रेंट, कि मतलब आप सुनेंगे तो आपको दुख का अनुभव तो नहीं हो सकता है। और ये शाम की राग है और ये ब्रेन वेव्स पे बहुत अच्छा एक, जैसे ना वही मैंने जैसे बोला कि ये करुण रस हटाता है। जैसे आपने सुना द द द द द द, सारे सुर शुद्ध है और जब सारे सुर शुद्ध होते हैं तो नॉर्मली बहुत ही वाइब्रेंट, प्लेजेंट, मेजर, हैप्पी ट्यून्स निकल के आती हैं। वो आजकल बहुत जरूरी है, जिस तरह का स्ट्रेस हम डील कर रहे हैं, इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू लिसन टू द वाइब्रेंट रागस। एक बार गा के दिखाती हूँ। सा रे गा प धा, सा सा धा प ग रे सा। सिर्फ 5 नोट्स है, सा धा प ग रे। सा धा सा रे गा प ध। इसमें म और नी नहीं है। सा रे गा मा प धा नी होता है, तो म और नी मिसिंग है। तो ये भी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग राग है। इसी के बीच हमें रिवॉल्व करवाना पड़ता है और थोड़ा कठिन होता है, तो वो इंटरेस्टिंग भी हो जाता है गेम की तरह। सा रे सा रे ग रे ग प ध प ग प, सा रे ग रे ग प ध सा ध प ध प ग प ग प ग ध ध प ग प ग रे, सा रे ध सा प ध सा रे ग रे ग प प ध प ध प ग प ध प ग प सा ध प ग प ग प। तो वो एकदम उसी के बस 5 नोट्स में इट्स लाइक कि आपको बस 2 घंटे तक कुछ ही फ्रीक्वेंसीज पे मूव करना है, तो दैट्स इंटरेस्टिंग। इसमें कुछ गाने हैं, बहुत गाने हैं एक्चुअली म्यूजिक में, तो जैसे da 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 da, sayonara, sayonara, वादा निभाऊंगी सायोनारा। ये गाना इतना बबली है कि कई बार बच्चों को इसका हल्का सा लिरिक्स चेंज करके मैं ये सिखा देती हूँ। सायोनारा, सायोनारा, वादा निभाऊंगी सायोनारा, इठलाती और बल खाती, कल फिर आऊंगी सायोनारा। इसी तरह एक गाना है। देखा एक ख्वाब तो ये सिलसिले हुए, दूर तक निगाह में है गुल खिले हुए, ये अदा है आपकी निगाहों में, फूल भी हो दर में आ तो फासले हुए, ला 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 ला। ये है। उसी तरह एक गजल है एक मूवी की। इन आँखों की मस्ती के मस्ताने हजारों हैं, मस्ताने हजारों हैं, इन आँखों से वाबस्ता। ये उमराव जान का है। एक गाना है जो कि थोड़ा संगीन है, इस पर इसी राग में है। दिल हुम करे, घबराए, घन घम घम करे, डर जाए, एक बूंद। इसी तरह बाजीराव मस्तानी एक बहुत ही रिसेंट मूवी आई थी, उसमें है अलबेला सजन आयो रे। इसमें है कि राजा जीत के आता है, तो उनकी जो वाइफ्स हैं, सारे लोगों की वाइफ्स हैं, उन वो सब ये बहुत ही खुश होके ये गाना गाती है, तो ये खुशी की राग है। अलबेला सजन आयो रे। तो ये राग बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है आजकल के टाइम में गाना। थैंक यू।
वेल ऐसा होता है कि इन इस दुनिया की हापा-धापी में वी टेक अप जॉब्स एंड वी रियली फॉरगेट टू रियली touch base to our inner self. So what happens later in life when people want to learn, when they are adult and they have time, they are retired from their job, so can they also learn music? Is there any I think uh, is it late for them to learn the music?
नहीं, मैं तो बहुत सीनियर सिटीजन्स को, और लेट म्यूजिक ऐसी चीज है कि वो लेट नहीं है, कोई एकेडमिक्स नहीं है कि आप लेट हो गए। क्योंकि इसमें क्या है कि दिस इज मेनली फॉर रिलैक्सेशन, और रिलैक्स करते करते तो वो जब रिटायरमेंट की एज है, जैसे बल्कि हमारे म्यूजिक में कहा जाता है कि जितने ही आप बड़े हैं होते हैं, उतने ही आप मेच्योरिटी से जो रागों के इमोशंस है, रस हैं। अब हम लोग छोटे-छोटे थे, तो हम लोग तो म्यूज़िक में ही हम लोगों ने पीएचडी मैंने करी, लेकिन बहुत ही म्यूज़िक का मज़ा नहीं ले पाए, क्योंकि हम लोग हमेशा से पढ़ते रहते थे चीज़ों को, और एकेडमिक्स में यू कैन नॉट एन्जॉय सर्टेन थिंग्स। अब जब चीज़ें थोड़ा अंदर डीप जाते हैं, तो मज़ा आता है, तो आई थिंक वो बल्कि अच्छी एज है। अब मेरे कुछ क्लाइंट्स हैं और मेरे स्टूडेंट्स भी हैं, जो कि बहुत ही 75-80 हैं, लेकिन अब वो सुर नहीं लगते हैं भले ही, लेकिन द वे दे एन्जॉय यू शुड सी। और पुराने-पुराने गाने केएल सहगल के, और जब गाते हैं एंड आफ्टर दैट दे मैसेज मी कि मैम आई हैव जस्ट रिजुवेनेटेड टुडे। इवन आप अगर क्लासिकल में देखिए तो जितने ही बुढ़े माइस्ट्रोज हैं, भीमसेन जोशी जी, उल्लास कशालकर, जितने भी माइस्ट्रोज हैं, अभी इनकी एक डेथ हुई है पंडित राजन मिश्र की, जितने भी हैं ये सब आप देखेंगे कि जितने हैं उनका जो एक पर्टिकुलर गाने का लेवल है, वो इतनी मैच्योरिटी, एक चैन, पीस इतना हाई है कि यंगस्टर्स में, यंग मैस्ट्रोस में उतना नहीं है। यंग मैस्ट्रोस जल्दी गा के खत्म करते हैं। तो मुझे तो लगता है म्यूजिक का उल्टा है कि जितना ही आप बड़े होंगे, हाँ टेक्निकलिटीज वीक पड़ जाएंगी, जैसे सुर, गले का आवाज, गला कांपने लगता है। बट यही तो खासियत है कि म्यूजिक में एज लॉन्ग एज यू आर एंजॉयिंग, ये सब टेक्निकलिटीज एक एज के बाद मैटर नहीं करती। जब कोई बचपन से सीखता है तो उन्हें सिखाई जाती है। तो मुझे लगता है सबको म्यूजिक सीखना चाहिए।
That means there's a difference between a person who has studied and learned music, maybe from the age of 6, and somebody
बिल्कुल।
who has time and started studying or learning music 40 or after this year. There is a difference, or they can match. I mean, they can match the parameter of music learning.
No, that is difficult. Like if you are learning from if a kid is learning since birth or since the childhood, obviously his quality of singing would be different, because kids learn 75% faster than the adults. The more you grow up, your learning ability gets little slower, because obviously your brain is involved into many things. You have to see the studies, you have to see the job, and therefore so many filters are there that that purity is missing like the kids do. So obviously there's a big difference in terms of technicalities, in terms of the grammar memory as well. Ki when I tell you the rag, you might not remember, but your kids would remember the grammar, and they would just learn it and tell me, and they might learn it for a longer time. Suppose in Rag Bhopali, I told you my knee is missing. I'll ask you tomorrow. You might not tell, but the kids would tell. So that there is a big difference. But yes, we normally when we teach kids, we it's okay. They are a graspers. They are fast learners. When we teach adults and senior citizens, we anticipate that they will take time, and accordingly we teach them. Take time means they can take 6 months, they can take 1 year to understand and to memorize. So sometimes one rag goes on for a year or so, which is okay. They are not in a hurry, and that's what I tell them: don't be in a hurry. You are not, actually this is not a race. Music is not a race. It's for your own well-being, your own personality, good, nice demeanor, and for relaxation, of course. So you don't have to worry about how much time it's taking. And in one rag, there's a lot of things to do. Like I normally make them see the things which goes into old songs. So suppose that goes on for many months. One song in a particular rag. So we don't keep on doing one things, because even they will get bored for that. There's so many tools in one rag that even if you go on with one rag for a year or so, there is no end. But the good part is that they are holding up to one particular thing and they're enjoying it. So there is a different purposes of learning music. When a kids learn, then they learn because their parents are saying, and yes, with time they become very ambitious. But when you are teaching adult, they are not ambitious, they're very cool in mind. In fact, they are learning music for their own coolness, calmness of mind. So the purposes of learning music is different for everyone.
Well, nowadays there's a COVID. era. People are inside their homes and they are worried. So, can they learn? They can't go out. They can't intermingle with the with the friends and the colleagues. So, is there any provision where they can learn online music? It is appropriate for them to learn online.
It is definitely like right now I am teaching online only. Since 1 year I've been doing online classes, and there are so many tools now because of this online and virtual classes. There you have a lot of tools, like my courses on Udemy, so you can have recorded courses, and there are many other courses as well. So now they are actually, earlier even I had a problem that online is not equivalent to the in person class, that personal touch. But now I feel there is so many tools that my even my attitude has been changed, that technology is bringing all the learning aspects so well, that there is something called Livdemy. So it's like you will see the you in that you have a courses that you can make the courses, record it, and let the students do it whenever they want. They just have to purchase. After 5 classes, there would be a live class. So that is a concept of Livdemy. So Udemy, there is a full recorded class, and whenever they have to, but yes, through mails they can contact me. Graphy, an academy also, there is a we I have a so we are making a course for that. So there are so many tools, and this thing, the shoot, the videos and all are so good. And it's not that I am doing it, they guide me to make a very good video with a very good sound. So it really makes you feel that it's an in-person class. And I feel in this pandemic times, it's very important to learn something. I am doing 3 courses of drawing and Nirvana art. So this makes me feel a little, and I always tell my students and even the senior citizens who are getting bored and very stagnant life they are leading. And I know when you hear a lot of news, so your mind gets very struggled and you get into depression. At that time, okay, you better deal with it, but then with time these things um, repair you. So they'll help you. These are the repairing tools, because you have to forget things and just grow up. And so I think drawing, art, dance, music, you should join the course, and you should because if you will only sing, you will stop it. How many days you will sing? Just 5 days, 6 days. And then you will, if you will learn it something, then I think you will sustain it for a longer time, because you have paid for it. And even you have heard some news, so you'll say, okay, today I won't do, I'll do it tomorrow. So at least you have some goal that, okay, I'm learning and I will do. And I always, every 3 months or maybe 2 months, I normally do virtual online concerts of my students, and they are so excited with it. And students are adults also, senior citizens, kids also, sometimes toddlers are also my students. So, and yes, special kids. So for everyone, like last time in Holi, I had my Surdemi had online sessions. So I'm not doing that. There are many people who are doing virtual classes, and it's going very nice. I know it's a very bad time, but you have to repair yourself, and these are certain tools to repair yourself. And you should do online classes if you're unable to go out.
Great. Due to this pandemic, I think one should be more positive minded and they should engage themselves in music,
Exactly.
which is a remedy for day to day life leading. Now, I would like to end with something in Rag Bhopali. I would like to hear again your beautiful voice and a beautiful song.
Sure. Thanks, Kanchanji, for the compliment. And so Rag Bhopali, and I would like to sing. ज्योति कलश छलके, ज्योति कलश छलके, हुए गुलाबी लाल सुनहरे, रंग दल बादल के, ज्योति कलश छलके। घर आंगन वन उपवन उपवन, करती ज्योति अमृत से कंचन, मंगल घट ढल के, मंगल घट ढल के, ज्योति कलश छलके। पात पात बिरवा हरियाला, धरती का मुख हुआ उजाला, नीचे आंचल के, नीचे आंचल के, ज्योति कलश छलके। Thank you so much, and I really pray that in everybody's home there is a lot of Jyoti Kalash, light falls in every place and all the darkness goes, and that's why this is the intention of this song. And I loads of Reiki and loads of light should throw upon all the people who are suffering and who are not suffering, for everyone. Thank you so much. Thanks Kanchanji for inviting me again. Thank you so much.
It is all our pleasure to hear your songs and understand the ragas. And we'll be discussing next in our next episode some different raga. Till then, bye bye. Stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.
Thank you so much.
We have some unique Akulmak memorabilia which will make you look outstanding. The graphics on these corporate gifts are based on the global best business practices. To become recipient of one of these gifts for free, you have to watch this video till the end and provide your valuable comments. Or you can also share your experiences. The person who makes the best comment would be chosen to become a recipient of these beautiful Akulmak gift, absolutely free, delivered to your doorsteps. The winner would also get a chance to be invited live as a distinguished panelist during our next video. What are you waiting for, friends? Please subscribe Akulmak and smash that like button.